NCM Learning Center. Friends, in this video, I am going to explain about how to calculate the current flow or voltage in an RL circuit or RC circuits when a switch position changes from one to other. In an RL or RC circuit, when a switch position changes from one to other, the current or voltage parameter changes, increasing or decreasing from the initial value to final value. Okay, how the current flow or voltage increasing or decreasing with respect to time, we will discuss. Type of concepts frequently asked in many competitive examinations. So you should learn these concepts very clearly. Before that, already I explained the basic inductor behavior and capacitor behavior at steady state and transient conditions. Okay, just refer this video. If you refer that video, easily you can understand these concepts. Okay, let's take an example. In the circuit, initially the inductor is connected with the 10 volt source. At t is equal to 0 seconds, switch position changes from 1 to 2. Calculate the current flow through the inductor. Okay. When the switch changes from 1 to 2, the inductor current flow will change in exponential nature. Okay. You should remember these concepts. Current flow or voltage across the capacitor changes in exponential nature. Okay, so I or V, current or voltage, is equal to A plus B e power minus t by tau. This is a general representation. Why is that? Because the current flow through the inductor increasing or decreasing in exponential nature. That is why we generally represented I is equal to A plus B e power minus t by tau. Okay. Similarly, we may represent the voltage V is equal to A plus B e power minus t by tau. General representation, because inductor or capacitor changes in exponential nature. Okay. So now we go to find A, B and tau for the given circuits. Okay. Well, tau is equal to time constant. Time constant means 63% of time taken to reach 63% of final value. Okay. First we will calculate time constant tau. If a resistor in series with inductor, if a single resistor in series with inductor, then time constant tau is equal to L by R. Okay, how sir? Is this value can find by experimentally. Okay, just connect RL circuits, apply the voltage, not only the current value for every 1 seconds. At 63 time taken to 63% the final value will be LBR. This is experimental proof. So just remember this formula. Tau is equal to L by R for RL circuits. Okay. Tau is equal to RC for RC circuits. You should remember this formula. Okay. If there is multiple resistors in the circuits, how to calculate the time constant? If there is multiple resistors in the circuit, just we have to convert the circuit into equivalent Thevenin circuits. The Thevenin circuit will have only one resistor and one load. Load may be inductor or capacitor. Okay. So if your circuit have multiple resistor, just they convert the multiple resistor circuit into a single resistor circuit by using Thevenin's theorem. Okay. For the circuits, tau is equal to L is 1 Henry, R is equal to 5 ohms. So 1 by 5, tau is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Next we go to find the parameter A and B at the time of switch changes. At the time, initially the inductor is connected with 10 volt source. At t is equal to 0 seconds, switch position changes from 1 to 2. At the time of switch changes, what will be the current flow through the inductor? We know the inductor behavior. Already we discussed in this previous video inductor behavior. Just refer this video. Inductor behavior. What will be the inductor behavior at the time of switch changes? At the time of switch changes, inductor will act as current source with previous state value. Previous state value means previously the inductor is long time connected with the 10 volt source. So previously the inductor act as short. We know the inductor behavior. Okay. Without referring that inductor behavior video, we cannot solve this problem. Okay, just refer this video. Okay, so at the time of switch changes means t is equal to 0. Previously the inductor is connected with 10 volt source, so it acts as short. So what will be the current flow? 10 I is equal to V by R, 10 by 5, 2 amps. So at the time of switch changes, the previous current 2 amps, so I is equal to 2 amps. At the time of switch changes, current flow through the inductor is 2 amps. Okay, the substitute in this equation, you can get I is equal to 2, A is equal to A plus B, e power 0 is 1, e power 0 1, so 1. Next, after long time of switch changes, the switch changes from 1 to 2. After long time of switch changes, the at steady state condition, the inductor acts as short, so the current flow is equal to V by R. So V is equal to 5 volt, R is equal to 5 ohm, so I is equal to 1 amps. So T is equal to infinite. T is equal to infinite means that long time. So T is equal to infinite. The current value I is equal to 1 amps. Substitute in the equation. So 1 is equal to A plus B e power minus infinity. E power minus infinity means 0. Okay, so A is equal to 1. By solving this equation 1 and 2, we can get the answer B is equal to 1. So finally, the current equation I is equal to A value 1 plus B value 1 e power minus t by tau is equal to 1 by 5. So e power minus 5t. This is the answer. General procedures to solve the problem is, first step, what parameter is required, current or voltage. Current, if current required means I is equal to A plus B e power minus t by tau, or voltage required means V is equal to A plus B e power minus t by tau, because both are exponential nature. Depending upon the parameter A, B and tau, the rate of change will be vary. Okay. Step 2, the objective is to find tau value. Okay. If a single resistor connected with the L means the time constant tau is equal to L by R. If single resistors in seriously connected with the capacitor means tau is equal to RC. If the circuit have multiple resistors means you have to convert the multiple resistor circuit into a single resistor circuits. Okay. Step 3, find the parameter A and B by using at the time of switch changes what is the response. Second, after long time of switch changes what is the response. By solving the two response, we can find the parameter A and B. Okay, this is the procedures. Let me solve a problem. Get questions. This question is asked in GATE 14 Triple department. Okay. Initially, the capacitor is opened. There is no charge on the capacitor. At t is equal to 0 time, the switch position change closed. Okay, so then there will be a current flow at 2 milliseconds. What will be current flow through the capacitor? Here current is required. So the step 1 is I is equal to A plus B e power minus t by tau. Okay. Our objective is to find the parameter A, B and tau. Okay. The step 2 is find the parameter time constant tau. Here in the circuit, two resistors, multiple resistors are present in the circuits. Okay. So we have to convert the circuit into a single resistor circuits. Okay. If a circuit has a single resistor in series capacitor, then time constant tau is equal to RC. So we need the conversion. Use the Thevenin's theorem. RTH or total. Okay. How to calculate the RTH or R total? No need of calculation of ETH. Okay. So for the calculation of RTH, if voltage source is present, we go to short the voltage source. We go to make the source as a zero value. If current source is present, we go to open. If the voltage source is present, we go to short. Okay, voltage source is shorted. The capacitors are considered as load. Okay, the capacitor is considered as load. Remove the capacitor. Assume the current flow from the load. Okay, we have to assume the current flow from the load. That is concept of Thevenin's theorem. Okay, here current flow from the load. The current is divided into two parts. So this is parallel circuits. So resistor 2 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm are in parallel. So equivalent resistors are total RTH is equal to 1 kilo ohm, because the parallel formula R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 if R1 R2 in parallel. Okay. So time constant tau is equal to RTH 1 kilo ohm into 10 power 3. Capacitance C is equal to 4 microfarad 4 into 10 power 6. So the answer is 4 milliseconds. Time constant is 4 milliseconds. So step 2 over. Step 3, we have to find the parameter A and B. Okay, first at time of switch changes. At the time of switch changes means transient response. Okay, we know the capacitor behavior. Already we discussed the capacitor behavior concepts. Just refer this video. I attached these video concepts, inductor behavior concept and capacitor behavior concepts in this description of the video. Just refer. Okay. At the time of switch changes, the capacitor acts as voltage source with previous state value. Previously, the switch is open. There is no charge on the capacitor. So previously, the voltage across the capacitor is 0. At the time of switch changes, the voltage across the capacitor is 0 volt. Okay, so replace the capacitor by voltage source. So 0 volt means short circuits. So replace the capacitor by short, because voltage source at t is equal to 0 time, voltage across the capacitor is 0 volt. Okay. So now find the current flow through the capacitor. If 2 kilo ohm are shorted, the total resistance will be R total is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Here this resistance is 0 value. Short circuit means 0 value. Resistance value is 0 value. So if you use this formula, we can get the answer is 0 ohm. So the total resistance for the parallel circuits 2 kilo ohm and 0 ohm is 0 ohm. Okay, so sorted. If your resistance is started in the circuits, the resistance effective will be 0. Okay. So now the current flow is I is equal to 5 volt by 2 kilo ohms, so 2.5 milliampere at t is equal to 0 seconds. At t is equal to 0 time means at the time of switch changes. Substitute in this equation. So I is equal to 2.5 plus a plus b e power 0 is 1. E power 0 is equal to 1. So after long time of switch changes, means steady state response. We know the capacitor behavior. If the capacitor long time connected, the capacitor acts as open because the capacitor is fully charged. There is no current flow through the capacitor. So I is equal to 0. At t is equal I is equal to 0 milliamp. At t is equal to infinite seconds. At t is equal to infinite seconds means long time of switch changes. T is equal to infinite means that long time of switch changes. Okay, substitute in this equation. So 0 is equal to a plus b e power minus infinity. E power minus infinity is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0. By solving this equation, we can get the answer b is equal to 2.5. Now substitute in this equation. I is equal to a is equal to 0. 2.5 e power minus t by time constant 4 milliseconds. This is the equation. Okay. We need the current value at t is equal to 2 milliseconds. Substitute in this equation. So I is equal to 2.5 e power minus 2 milliseconds. Time constant also milliseconds, so will be cancelled. So the result answer is equal to 1.52 milliampere. Okay. At the time of switch changes, current flow is 2.5 milliampere in decreasing with respect to time. After long time of switch changes, the current will becomes to 0. So after switch changes 2 milliseconds, after 2 milliseconds of switch changes, the current flow will be 1.52 milliampere. This is the answer. Okay. Now do it yourself area. In this area, I asked 4 questions. The first question is gate question. Second question is TNEB AE 2017 examinations questions. Third question is TNEB AE 2018 questions. Fourth question is IES questions. Okay, just try to solve these questions. If you feel any difficulties, just comment. Just comment your answers also. Okay. After watching this video, if you not able to solve this problem, means just comment it. Definitely I will give the response. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.